Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss how the benefits of meditating and listening to music are similar and how to listen to music to get the same benefits as meditation. My name is JD and I'm a statistician and music therapist here to offer statistically significant support. And if you don't mind hitting those like and subscribe buttons so that you can continue to get the support as it comes out. With that said, let's get into it. The meditation helps you improve your cortisol and testosterone, which indicates that meditation can reverse the effects of stress. And meditation, particularly the loving kindness meditation, helps you start a process of positivity so that you can do the meditation regularly, and that increases the number of times that you experience positive emotion, which increases the number of personal resources that you have, like mindfulness, purpose in life, and social skills and social support. These personal resources then lead you to having a greater life satisfaction and lower symptoms of depression. So meditation does all these wonderful things, and there's a snowball effect so that you get better and better things that come out of it. But the meditation isn't the only way to do it. In fact, meditation and music are two of the most common uses of complementary and alternative medicine, and people do both of these to get a sense of control in their lives. So music can actually be just as effective as meditation, particularly for improving well-being, your memory, your cognitive performance, and your sleep, both quality of sleep and length of sleep. And it doesn't matter if you're doing meditation or listening to music, you're getting about the same amount of effects. But this is particularly true if you're doing the loving kindness meditation. But in another study, they did music listening or meditation for both 12 minutes a day and got similar effects. So we're not talking about a large amount of time, just 12 minutes a day. But if you're doing sleep, then you want to do that for about 45 minutes. And I usually start with listening to the music, do my nightly routine, then end with laying in bed and intentionally listening to it while it goes out. But the biggest tip I can give you for intentionally listening is to listen to songs that make you feel happy because of two reasons. One is that the positive emotions compound and bring about personal resources. This is Fredrickson's broaden and build theory. The other is that being satisfied with a specific event will spill up into broader areas of your life. This is called the bottom-up spillover theory. So in other words, listening to something that makes you happy will increase happiness in your life, and that will improve your quality of life. That positivity will grow and expand into other areas of your life. So while you're listening, you want to make sure that you make intentional listening a regular part of your daily routine. You want to feel the emotions of the song as strongly as possible. This is why the positive emotions is important. Because if you can feel it, you can bring about those positive emotions. But if you're already sad or depressed or angsty, you want to start with a song that's sad or depressed or angsty, a song that matches that mood. Because if you're listening to a happy song, then you're going to feel a disconnect and you won't get all of the benefits. While you're listening, you can also listen to the lyrics and completely analyze the lyrics. What's the story of the song? What is the protagonist doing in the song? Why did they choose that particular lyric at that particular time? How does it connect to the musicality of the song? Because you want to put yourself into the song as completely as possible. This is called absorption, and it allows you to forget about everything else that's going on around you while you feel the song. So I keep saying that you want to listen to songs that make you feel happy. Now, everyone's going to feel something different. And one song is going to make one person feel happy than somebody else. So it's hard for me to give just one perfect example. But a good place to start might be Jason Mraz's Have It All, because that has all of the elements of the loving kindness meditation built into the lyrics. It also has musical properties that are upbeat and melodies that are lively to give you that happy, positive feeling. There's a link down in the description below, so feel free to check out that song. A couple of ways that I do this in my daily routine, I might choose one song that I just completely analyze for 5 minutes. Or I might put a song on repeat and go about my day listening to that song over and over and over again, because I'm trying to make that song a mantra for my life so that it becomes a part of me and a part of my life, and I can build it into other areas of my life. So those are 2 ways that help me. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. And if you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button so that I can continue to bring you more statistically significant support. Thank you.